Hi, this is Miss Sandy. This is week 1, day 1. Welcome to math class. This is an instructional video for the 4th grade math investigation student activity book. We're in unit 1. This is page 1 in session 1.1. Activity 1 is how many in this array? Take a look at the picture. This case is completely full of cans. How many cans are in the case, including those under the cap? How did you figure this out? Let's take a look. Okay, the first thing that we kind of want to determine is how many rows do we have? If you remember, rows go from left to right, and it's a horizontal line. So my first row would be here, my second row is here, my third row is here, the fourth row is here, fifth row is here, and this is the sixth row. So I know that there are 6 rows in this case of cans. Okay. The next thing I need to find out is how many columns I have. Okay, so let's take a look. I have 1 column, I have the second column, I have column 3, I have column 4, I have column 5, column 6, column 7, and column 8. So I know that I have 6 rows and 8 columns. Okay, so the strategies that we used in the video, what is an array? We wanted to come up with some number sentences. And one of the sentences was repeated addition. So we're going to look at the row number 1. So row 1 has 8 cans in it. And we're going to add row 2's cans to row 1. So in row 2 we have 8. So we're going to add 8 plus 8. Then we're looking at row 3 that also has 8 cans in it. Row 4 also has 8 cans in it. Row 5 we're going to add another 8. And row 6 we're going to add 8. Okay, so let's take a look at what repeated addition sentence number 1 is going to come out to be. Okay, so let's skip count by 8s. We have 8 plus 8, that's 16. Plus another 8 is 24. Plus another 8 is 32. Plus another 8 is 40. Plus another 8 would give us 48 cans in the case. What's another way that we can take a look at this, an array? Okay, if we know that we have 6 rows and we have 8 columns, we could use multiplication as a strategy to figure out how many cans are in the case. Okay, so as we determined before, we have 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when we're working with arrays, we want to include the rows first, and we're going to multiply. Okay, and then we determined that we had 8 columns. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would be 6 rows times 8 columns, and that would also give us 48. Okay. Do you have any other way of looking at this problem? And how do you know that your answers are correct?